Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's happening right now, and it's creating one of the biggest wealth-building opportunities of our generation. While most investors are busy chasing already popular tech giants, smart money is quietly flowing into the next wave of AI companies that could potentially 10 times in value. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly where these opportunities are hiding, how to identify them early, and what you need to watch before making your next move. Now, here's the truth. Just because a company says it's using AI doesn't mean it's a good investment. In fact, a lot of companies are simply riding the hype without any real innovation behind them. The real winners in this space are the ones building the foundation of AI. We're talking about companies developing advanced chips, cloud infrastructure, and massive data centers. These are the businesses powering the entire AI ecosystem. Without them, none of the tools, apps, or automation systems would even exist. So if you're looking for serious growth potential, you need to focus on the backbone, not just the surface level hype. At the same time, another major opportunity lies in AI software platforms. These companies are creating tools that businesses rely on every single day. Automation systems, machine learning platforms, and enterprise-level AI solutions. What makes this sector so powerful is customer dependency. Once a business integrates an AI system into its operations, switching to another provider becomes difficult and expensive. That creates consistent revenue, strong retention, and long-term growth potential. And that's exactly the kind of setup that can turn a good stock into a 10x performer over time. But if you really want to find explosive growth, you have to look beyond the obvious names. Small and mid-cap AI companies are where the real opportunities often exist. These companies don't get the same attention as big tech, but they have one major advantage. They have room to grow. A smaller company can double, triple, or even 10 times much faster than an already massive corporation. The challenge, however, is identifying which of these companies actually have strong technology, solid leadership, and a clear path to scaling. Another key strategy is to focus on industries being transformed by AI. We're seeing massive disruption in sectors like healthcare, finance, cybersecurity, and robotics. Companies that successfully integrate AI into these industries can dominate their niche and grow at an incredible pace. Imagine AI systems diagnosing diseases faster than doctors, or cybersecurity platforms stopping threats before they even happen. These are not just ideas, they're already becoming reality. And the companies leading these changes could become the market leaders of tomorrow.